Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a PLA filament extruder. It's the battle of the Creality Titans, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE and the Creality Ender 3v3. Who will come out on top? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. For the Ender 3v3 SE, you're looking at a cool $219. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 will set you back $299. So if you're on a budget, the SE is already making you feel like you're saving enough to buy yourself a celebratory pizza. Now on to speed. The Ender 3v3 SE can print at up to 250 millimeters per second with 2,500 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. But wait, the Ender 3v3 comes in and flexes with 500 millimeters per second speed and 8,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's practically teleporting your prints. So if you're in a hurry, the V3 is your time travel machine. Let's move to ease of use. The Ender 3v3 SE boasts a 3-step setup. Just snap, click, and print. It's like IKEA furniture but without the existential crisis. The Ender 3 Volts 3, on the other hand, offers an all-in-one design and supports phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers say that the SE is extremely user-friendly and straightforward, while the V3 is versatile and packed with features that make it a gadget geek's dream. Extruder and print quality time. The SE uses the Sprite Direct Drive extruder, ensuring smooth feeding of PLA, PETG, and even TPU. It's like having a gourmet chef for your filaments. The V3, however, takes it up a notch with a 60W ceramic heater, bimetal heat break, and copper nozzle, allowing it to print at 300. It's basically the Gordon Ramsay of 3D printers, just without the yelling. Reviewers have praised the SE for its smooth and reliable extrusion, while the V3 is commended for its advanced heating elements and high-quality prints. Stability and motion sounds like a physics class, but way cooler. The SE features dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts, making it as steady as a rock, or the rock. The V3, however, has a carriage slide with ball bearings on the X-axis and smart algorithms that reduce vibrations. It's smoother than a jazz saxophonist on a Sunday night. Reviewers find the SE to be stable and robust, while the V3 is praised for its smooth and precise motion. Filament and power recovery, because we all know life and power can be unpredictable. The SE supports automatic filament loading and unloading with just a tap. It's like having a personal butler for your printer. The V3 offers a filament shift sensor and power failure recovery. It's like having a superhero that saves your print from the brink of disaster. Reviewers appreciate the SE for its convenience and the V for its reliability in saving prints during power outages. Finally, after-sales support. Both printers come with a 12-month service, but the SE also gives you a 3-month service for wearing parts. The V3 offers 24-hour after-sales support, so you can call them up at 3 a.m. when your printer decides to go rogue. It's like having a tech-savvy best friend who never sleeps. Reviews indicate satisfaction with the SE's additional coverage for wearing parts, while the V3's around-the-clock support is a hit among night owls. Both the Creality Ender 3v3 SE and the Ender 3v3 have garnered praise and criticism from users. The SE is lauded for its ease of use, affordability, and reliable performance, making it a favorite among beginners. On the other hand, the V3 stands out for its speed, advanced features, and high-quality prints, appealing to more experienced users. While some have faced issues with both models, the overall sentiment is positive, with many users recommending these printers for their respective strengths. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, speedy setup with solid performance, the Ender 3 V3 SE is your go-to. But if you want the fastest, most versatile, and feature-packed experience, the Ender 3 V3 is your ultimate 3D printing beast. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.